The Logitech Pop Keys is one of the most visually unique mechanical keyboards on the market today. Its soft, curvy design makes it stand out with a playful and bubbly look. The keycaps are perfectly rounded, giving it a retro, fun vibe, and it comes in several colorful options, including the vibrant Daydream color scheme, which combines pastel yellow, purple, and green. But while it catches the eye, there's more to this keyboard than just looks. At its core, the Pop Keys is designed for consumers who love a mix of style and functionality. With its 75% layout, the keyboard offers a compact design that's still practical for typing and general use. It comes with 5 dedicated emoji keys, allowing users to quickly access and insert their favorite emojis, making it a playful option for those who love adding some personality to their work or chat. However, these emoji keys only work on Windows and Mac systems, which might limit the versatility for users on other platforms. Underneath the adorable design, the Pop Keys uses brown cherry clone switches. These switches provide a tactile bump with each key press, but the typing experience falls short of premium. The keycaps are made from slippery plastic, and the legends are painted on, which means they'll likely wear out faster than higher-end double-shot keycaps. The switches themselves, while functional, aren't the smoothest, and the overall build quality feels cheap compared to other mechanical keyboards in the same price range. The keyboard is wireless, supporting Bluetooth, RF, and multi-device switching. However, for its $100 price tag, the components feel like they're from a much cheaper board. While you get a decent typing experience, it's not the most refined, and the keyboard rattles with each keystroke. For users in a shared space, the noise might be distracting, and the typing experience could be a bit frustrating for those used to higher-end mechanical keyboards. What Logitech does excel at here is design and ease of use. The Pop Keys is perfect for people who prioritize aesthetics and functionality over premium components. If you're looking for a keyboard that's as much a conversation starter as a tool, the Pop Keys is definitely an option to consider. Just be prepared for a less-than-ideal typing experience for the price. If you can look past the cheap feel and enjoy the style, the Pop Keys might just be the quirky, colorful keyboard you've been waiting for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.